Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll look into the next method, which is clear method in set operations. What does clear method does? Yeah. Now clear method is used to remove all elements from a set, effectively making it an empty set. The method does not take any arguments and modifies the sets in place. So it is particularly useful when we want to reuse an existing set without retaining its previous element. Yeah. So basically it will clear all the contents, whether you have one set or multiple set within your sequence data type. Yeah. The syntax for clear, the syntax for clear's method is set dot clear. Yeah. So you have to specify the set name, or you can say set name dot clear. Yeah. It does not take any, let me make a note. It does not take any parameters. Okay. It will straight away delete all the contents within the given set. Okay. Let's quickly see an example of clear. Uh, quick example of clear method. Yes. So I have this set, my set, which has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am running this method, my set dot clear. This will clear the set elements, yes, and make it empty. And then we'll see the output whether my set has any of these elements or not. Let's run this quickly. We can see this. The set does not have any elements. It is an empty set. Yeah. So it has cleared all the contents which are within this particular set. Yeah. Now suppose if I'm let's see if what happens, uh let's update a set and then clear all items within the set. How would you do that? So suppose I have the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I want to update this set. So I'll say my set dot update, and I am adding multiple items, which you can see as my set. So once I add this items within the set, it will show me all the items. So if I see here, I have updated, so all the items are added to the set. But if I say my set dot clear, it will clear all the items and make the set empty, even though I have added more items. You can see this. So this was the addition, the previous one, which had multiple items within the set. But with just one command of set clear, it has emptied the set. So the set has got completely empty. So suppose I have multiple sets within a list. So suppose uh, clear multiple sets within a list using for loop. Yeah. How do you do that? Suppose I have this sets 1, 2, 3. That's one set within a list. 4, 5, 6 is in another set. 7, 8, 9 is another set. I want to empty all these three sets within the list so that I can put in new numbers. For which I cannot, if I directly say s dot clear, let's first see what happens if I say my sets dot clear. Yeah, and we'll check my sets. See this? It has cleared the entire elements within the set, but we do not want it that way. We want the sets to be as it is, but we want the sets to be empty. Yeah. So we'll run this again. Yeah. So what I'm doing here is let us go step by step. What I'm doing is I have assumed this list first. Through for loop, I'm looping through individual I element. So this entire set is the zeroth element. This entire set is the first element, and this is the second element. So as I say S in my sets, it is checking for the first element. So it is checking S dot clear. It is emptying this entire set or clearing the entire set. Then it goes back, loops back, go to the second set. It clears the second set and again clears the third set. Yeah. So what is the result? Let's see. Instead of empty list, what it gives me? Empty sets at each individual element within this list. So there is a difference we saw previously as when I said my sets dot clear, it emptied the entire list. So it is not a set clearance method. It is a list clearing method. So that's why it's emptied all the elements within the list. But when we ran through individual item and ran s dot clear, it emptied the sets rather than emptying all the elements within the list. So there is a difference. Yeah. What we can do is we can also clear sets based on some condition, or I'll say empty sets based on condition. Yeah. So suppose I have my sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if the length of the set is greater than 3, then it will clear it. So what this particular loop is doing, it is looping through each element within this list, checking if the length of this particular set is greater than 3, then it is clearing it. So let's see what is the output here. I have not printed anything. Just give me 1 minute. Print my sets. Because there is no elements within the list which are greater than 3. So let me make this element as greater than 3. So the second element is greater than 3. So let's see, let's run this. Can see it has made the set empty because this particular element, that's the first index within this list, which is greater, whose length is greater than 3. Yeah, it is 4. Hence, it has emptied this set getting into the loop. So you can use loops as well to refine your data, clear your data. Yeah. So there are various ways in which you can use this clear statement, but you need to understand is clear is used to empty the entire elements within a set. Yeah. So set dot clear empties all the elements within a set. Hope you understood this video. Do like, share this with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment on this video if you have anything to say about the examples that I'm sharing, or if you want to add anything or add any of your views which will help my viewers to learn something more about Python or about this subject. Subscribe to my channel to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much and keep learning.